So while the PAT so far has come in line, the margins are a big miss for Maruti. We were in any case expecting a compression both on a year-on-year as well as a sequential basis. What is their update on utilization levels, the preparedness post-COVID as the factories slowly and surely begin to operate or resume their operations as well? That's something that we'd hear out from the management. But I think we have Karunya with us, and I can quickly take it across to her to get in more details. Karunya? And Bharat Jayanani as well as Naveen Kulkarni too on the phone line. But before I take it across to Karunya, I'm going to quickly bring on board both Bharat as well as Navneet. Bharat, let me start off with you. We don't have expectations of volumes purely because of the lockdown. But prima facie, what is it that you're making of the margin compression? Because that is way lower than what we were also anticipating, around 9.5 to 9.7% range.
Yeah, so good afternoon. So definitely the margin has been a disappointment for Maruti. It's lower than what the state was expecting. So probably I think the sharp volume drop that has come in this quarter has weighed on the performance, and I think the discounting which the street was expecting to come down in quarter four might not have been the case, and I think that must have made an impact on the margin. So clearly margin is about 120 basis points lower than what the street is expecting.
Naveen, hi, afternoon. What from the commentary would you be looking out? Because I think for entire Motown and OEMs included, it's not really about what they've done in the previous quarter, but more an update on what the dealer inventory is looking like, whether or not they are getting new inquiries for orders or not, and how many of their factories have resumed operations, and what are the hurdles that they're facing as they begin to slowly warm up and ease back to production.
Yeah, so again, at this point in time, I would say that it's still too early days to talk about how things are actually moving. So I would say that margins are, of course, a concern, but that was expected. So in this kind of a scenario, things can move up or down, considering the various challenges that the industry is witnessing. Crucial aspects, as you said, will be how the supply chain is behaving and how easy it is going to be to open up the whole supply chain as well as the factories start functioning, considering there will be challenges of labor dislocation. So the labor dislocation is one major aspect, I think, which needs more clarity from the management. So, and apart from that, I think demand scenario, I think it will be still very early to talk about that. Probably we'll start getting better sense a month from now.
Thanks so much for joining us, talking us through those numbers. Focus also on BHEL.